They're saying the regulations plus she said it's slippery because it's wet.
What engine does it have?
Pardon me?
Looks like an F7. EMD F7 locomotive.
Okay.
Don't bore her to death.
Long. Long. Short. Long.
Please step back. You have to be on this side. You have to be on this side. Thank you.
Yep.
It's one of the newer ones we've been on. One of, I said, not the newest.
Yeah, it's way down at the end, but you can't walk anywhere until the train comes in and stops. It's all the way down. It's all the way down at the end. There's a second set of railroad crossings. There's a second set of railroad. Sorry about that, but I don't want to. Safety.
Dang, you can really feel that.
Wish we'd have thought of this known earlier. We could have got in the dome car, but it was all sold out.
Yeah.
Liverpool.
Yeah.
Silver Larry. Very long.
Yeah.
you can see the Beaver Marsh with the towpath running through it there on the boardwalk. And coming up in just a minute,
Like I said,
the east side of the train is a perfect place to park your car. If you want to visit the Beaver Marsh and do a show right there, because it's called the Iowa Trail that you'll see.
Exactly.
We have river otter and beaver in at the Beaver Marsh. Beach past the Iowa Trailhead. Right at the end of that parking lot is a place to jump on and go back and take a short walk over to the Beaver Marsh.
All the way down yonder.
Crossed over Iowa Road. Off to the west is another metro park called O'Neill's Woods. Nice place to hike. You can see the towpath still to the east right next to us. So if anybody likes long distance hiking or biking, that towpath goes all the way from Lake Erie down to Boulevard, about 100 miles. Just crossed over a small road that goes up into the woods there. There's a venue up there, actually, part of the old Boatswain farmstead that used to be down here in the valley back in the day. In a moment, on the east side of the train, we'll be passing the Boatswain Depot, and that is our second bike and hike stop on the train today. We'll see if anybody's getting on or off, otherwise we'll just kind of cruise right by. Incidentally, if you're ever on the towpath and you want to wave us down, remember to go like this. If you just use one hand, we'll just wave back and keep moving. Next is Bass Road. We're going to cross over in just a moment. To the east, right across the the river there, which you can barely see the bridge, is the great blue heron viewing area. In the springtime, you can see dozens of blue heron nests up in the trees. It's a really lovely place to get some great shots of those birds. This time of year, a little harder to see, but they're all up there. There's dozens of nests. If you look up to the east, behind all the shrubbery, you're going to see a large pipe. That thing is 7 miles long. It is Akron's main sanitary sewer line to the treatment facility. Wow. It's all gravity. We're actually going uphill, so everything in it is going downhill. Portions of it were built in the old canal. The state already owned the property, so they decided just to put the pipe right in the old canal. We're just crossing over Smith Road. Up to the west on top of the hill is another really lovely Summit County Metro Park called the Siverly Nature Realm. And to our east here is the Akron Motorcycle Club.
Is it on? How come it's not shown on here, it's just shown on your phone?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That really is. Right here.
I'm on display. I mean, this is on display.
What are they? Okay, so we're traveling for the first is a bag from Union Education Trust.
Where's the bag?
Union Education Trust.
That's the Beaver.
Justin Wood.
How you doing?
Thank you guys.
Where the beavers are.
Yeah, it's not on the way.
See a towpath out there? Yeah. And so the canal and the Beaver Lodge is right to the north end of that boardwalk. And the canal's still flooded. So Beaver have taken over that spot.
Yeah. I've never seen them. I guess they're mostly active dawn and dusk. I don't know if they don't come out much daytime. I'm sure.
I even got Dylan in the video.
Here it comes. It's gonna be loud because the crossing. You'll hear two longs, a short, and a long. Morse code Q. Haha, there we go. Rolling some coal. There goes the crossing. PRR, Pennsylvania Railroad. California Zephyr. CB&Q. Another California Zephyr.